Now is your chance to purchase 160 acres in Stanton County, located north of Leigh, Nebraska. This property will be offered as one tract on an online auction. Bidding on this land will open on October 31st and close out on November 14th, 2023. This gently sloping dryland farm has good gravel road access on the east and north sides, and it is only 4 miles off of Highway 91 and 2 miles off of Highway 57. According to the Stanton County FSA, there are 152 acres of cropland on this quarter. The south boundary of this property will be located and marked by a surveyor before closing. Make plans to own this farm where land rarely changes hands. For more information, contact your listing agents. Jim Stock at 402-920-0604 or John Stock at 402-920-3180. They are your farm and ranch specialists.